So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm running you through a blueprint that helped me scale my AI UGC agency from zero to around $40,000 every single month. From someone with no experience offering basically the worst skills, using platforms and different systems that I have in front of me, helping businesses that scale their e-commerce marketing strategies to over $40,000 a month. Without further ado, we'll just get straight into it. The amazing thing about MakeUGC is that it doesn't have any team. It has no meetings, no deadlines that are going to be missed because really it's all AI. So using Claude and MakeUGC, we basically built an AI agent that runs my entire content creation system. They together make high converting UGC scripts, generate hooks, CTAs, headlines, and break down offers into proven frameworks that we all know, with over 10,000 ad creatives tested further on. And I'm going to show you how in just a second. If we zoom out and we go to step 1, I'm going to show you how you can make AI hold your product. For all of the in-depth details, you can check out the other videos in this channel. But for now, I'm going to run you through the blueprint. With MakeUGC, you can create product in-hand videos in AI UGC in minutes, just using photos. And we literally showed this in the last video, so go check that out right now. You can literally create videos like this where they're drinking your product or even have it on display like over here. And in general, you can just make it super realistic. To do this, we have to follow a couple different steps. First of all, you go to the MakeUGC Hold in Hand tab, and this is what you'll see in front of you. Now, these objects are basically objects that you can go ahead and replace. So find something that fits similar to what your product is, and then you can obviously go ahead and change it out. For example, if you have a drink, you can go replace this with a drink, or if you've got a bag, you can go replace this with a bag. And the same goes for this, same goes for that. If you've got shoes, this would be a good fit too. So in general, that's what you're gonna see. That's kind of what you wanna focus on. As you can see, it's gonna be this little tab here on the left side. And there's a new UI to MakeUGC, so it might be slightly different, but there's another video that you can check out, which is basically gonna run you through that as well. Second of all, you wanna upload that high quality photo of your product. And thirdly, you want to select an AI character from over 150 licensed avatars. Now we'll go over the licensing and the other features that come with this. You just need to know you can literally do anything. Food, beverages, skincare, device demonstrations. These AI characters do it all. And when I'm saying the benefits to this is crazy, and the reason why you settle with an AI UGC agency compared to just a normal UGC agency, it's because it generates literally within 2 minutes. As you can see, 2 minutes of waiting time compared to UGC creators, which can take days, if not weeks even, to get it right. Cost per video is less than $10 per video. Hundreds in 24 hours, which is just impossible with otherwise, and it's just spending tens of thousands of dollars. And then holding your product in hand is obviously both, but the fact that you've got all these benefits just shows what is so much better. Making multiple videos in different languages, even the same videos in different languages, having to own the usage rights is also coming with these AI creators, which is something that's really a big problem, is that people will charge you extra for the amount of performance that video gets. And you don't want that, obviously. Emotion, expression, it's got it all. Authentic content, same thing here. You can get started with MakeUGC and supercharge your content. 40,000 plus businesses are using this per month. So just go check it out. The link is makeugc.ai. But for now, we'll just keep going. Into step 4, you can basically put in a simple prompt. That prompt can be literally anything: apply the face cream, drink the drink, etc. You can literally make that into this little section over here. As you can see, there's when you're pasting your prompt, and then what you want the person will say in the video. So then you can adjust the script, tone, emotion, and then you're good to generate your video essentially. There's a couple different ways that you can go about this process over here, where you can also put in an already existing audio file and it will just basically mime to it, or it will take the audio file, translate it into words, and then make its own script from that. The second way is that you can have your own AI influencer, and this is something that is very common nowadays, is that these are popping up all over the place. In fact, MakeUGC has a ton of AI characters that are pretty popular on different social media platforms, and they can generate a ridiculous amount of ad revenue. Off of commission basis, off of 9.1 million views, there's going to be over 600,000 product clicks. That just shows how good this can be. And AI influence, and they're driving real engagement, like real organic engagement for many brands. You can design custom influencers, and here is how you do that. First of all, step one is going to be to just choose one of the already existing from 150 different people. And I already showed you this kind of like how this works, but you're going to type the script in, pick a voice, change the emotion, and really customize it to how you want it to be. Then choosing the direction, e.g. I want the creator to hold my cup and drink it after. If that's something you want to do, you can also just have the creator as a person by itself, and then you just need to generate the video. And then what you can do is mass generate videos, where you can do tens if not hundreds of videos in one go, and then you just change the script, varying it slightly here and there. Because you have hundreds of videos now, and it's all from that same character, and it looks roughly all kind of similar, you can upload this to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and a ton of different platforms, and literally post 3 to 4 times for each video. Heading into the next section over here, how brands make 40K plus a month using this method. One D2C supplement brand scaled over $40,000 in monthly ad revenue using MakeUGC. And basically the key stats are 5-minute video turnarounds, $10 per video, compared to the average of $200 and almost $50, which is ridiculous. And then 100 plus ads a week. Then millions of organic views. This is just coming so naturally and so well. As of the 25th of May, AI UGC is 100% effective at generating content for e-commerce, beauty, wellness, and more. So those industries, all TikTok. And the thing is, in MakeUGC, they also have this amazing feature of creating winning scripts. MakeUGC script generator is the best I've seen so far, and I can promise you this, honestly, because this program has been trained from over 10,000 winning ads. They took all the best performing ads off of all the social medias and they poured it all into this one AI UGC script generator, and it's paid off. Let me tell you that much. Here's how it works. You paste your product link in, and then step 2, your script out, all done, 16 seconds, generated with AI, and with a couple other simple inputs and so on, it literally just bangs out like a perfect script for you every single time. Now we're going into something a bit more detailed. Let's say you don't want to use one of the 150 different AI UGC characters that they give you as a preset. You can take your branding to the next level and literally make your own custom avatar. You can even take yourself and make yourself into AI UGC, which is absolutely wild. So here's the process. What we're going to do is we're going to record 1 minute of you. Essentially just a clean video that looks something similar to these following examples, and you're going to drag and drop it into this section over here. Now you're going to see this under making your custom avatar when selecting from the others, and then what you need to do is you just simply upload that avatar, that video, and select the languages and so on. Step 3, wait 2 to 5 minutes for the AI processing. Here's the example, just showing some over here. And then step 4, use the avatar in a future video with scripts, CTAs, and work like a normal creator essentially. So as you can see, we're back in the MakeUGC normal AI video generation, and you can see the custom avatar is creating 2 different scripts, 2 different videos. It literally becomes super reusable. So talking about making your own character, you don't even have to take one. You can literally make yourself into an AI character. Going on to step 5, create UGC ads at scale. We've talked about bulking ads, but we can do this in a way better way. Once you find a winning creative from your batch or whatever you've put out, what has worked and what hasn't, maybe it's to do with a specific script or maybe it's to do with a specific creator, you can now just bulk generate this. Upload the script, choose from the 100 creators, and test so many different hooks, CTAs, and so on. And if you've got it already, then you can just bulk create. You can select as many as you like in one go and literally mass select the creators. As you can tell here, they've selected every single one, and confirm creators to have a certain tone or emotion that tends to work well with your creations. So generate them, save them, and remix and edit. So extremely simple. Now, we have a 2-minute demo with Jordan Welsh, and he goes over it. He loves this product so much, and it's literally used by him and some of the biggest other businesses in the e-commerce space. As you can see, Prime even uses this, a bit of Logan Paul KSI action here, and different things like Havana's, Flip Flops Company, Brez, and Decathlon even. I don't know about this one or this one, but they seem pretty big too. You can use MakeUGC for literally anything, and we went through basically all of these today and how you can create them, how you can literally use them to the best benefit as possible. When it comes to ads, this is where you need to be. So getting started with MakeUGC is extremely simple, whether you're a solo founder, creative agency, and this will give you also access to the product hand generator, Slack support team, and instant script generator from AI trained ads. So with that being said, go check out MakeUGC in the link in the description. We're going to give you a little discount for you to try, see how it goes, and see if you like it or not. But for now, that's pretty much it with the video. I hope you enjoyed. This is a really solid blueprint. And let me know what you think about MakeUGC. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you next week in another info video for you guys. So